Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sway to the 99, and in today's video we are hitting Ross to look up and see what is new here for Mother's Day gift ideas. So if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you are returning. Welcome back. So let's jump in and see what deals we can find for gift Mother's Day ideas on a budget. Let's see, they have some beauty products. They have these by Paris Hilton. Let's see, you do get 4 brushes rather, and the eye curler. This is actually really nice. And let's see, it is $5.99, and this one looks really nice too. And it does come with a little sponges. Let's see what else they have. Nicole Miller. Ooh, fancy. A good little fancy gift for mom. This one is $4.99. Move that to the side. Well, they actually have some really fancy beauty care stuff. So if your mom is not into home decor, but she's into beauty stuff, Ross definitely has some good deals. And look, they also have these by Paris Hilton. This actually looks really nice. It's the towel, and it does come with a couple of accessories, including the bath bomb, the bath salt, and the body blush. Pretty cute. Oh, they actually have another one. They have 2. Nice. Let's see. I actually like this one better because it does have the, oh, that's on the actual packaging and not on the towel. But they have these as well. This is by MK Mana Cars bath set. These are, let's see, $5.99. And the Paris Hilton sets are, let's see, $10.99. Wow, that's actually not a bad deal at all. It's a really good deal. Yeah, it's definitely a good Mother's Day gift for $10.99. And more personal care beauty products for $8.99. Again, this seems to be a really good spot to come to for gifts. Definitely, if you're on a budget. Oh, and this is by Milani. This is $3.99. It's funny, we've actually seen Milani at Dollar Tree, so it's funny to see it here. Oh, let me pick that up. All right, continuing on, they do also have these brush kit. This one is $4.99. Oh, look at this. That's cute. Best mom ever. That's nice. Little compact mirror for $3.99. Oh, these are adorable. For $5.99. Pretty cute, see? Get your mom a nice little gift on a budget. Oh, look what they have. They have these Glam and Glow Completion by JLB Cosmetics. And this one as well by Nicole Miller. Never heard of them, but I'm sure it's a good brand. So lots of little accessories and goodies to consider for Mother's Day gifts ideas. So this is by Paris Hilton. This is $5.99. Oh, these are nice too. This is I love my Mimi, best Mimi ever. Guess if you call your mom Mimi, that would be perfect. Um, let's see. This one is $5.99. Very springy as well. Oh, look at this candle. This candle looks really nice. Doesn't have like a cover on it, but let's see. This one is $7.99. It smells delicious. So, and it's also a beautiful candle. They can easily use it after for other things as well. All right, so I'm seeing this whole new collection. It kind of reminds me of the Pioneer Woman. This is by Elegance, and I'm not sure if this is part of the same collection, but look at these beautiful trays, also by Elegance. These are $5.99. This one says blessed, trust in the Lord with all your heart. Again, these are really beautiful iron pieces, so if your mom or yourself are, oh sorry about that, believe, are into stuff like this, I think they would be absolutely love it. Oh, this one is beautiful. With God all things are possible. And the matching dish for $4.99. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Oh, sorry. It's a little bit high up. That one says blessed. And look at this. Where it ends when faith begins. These are beautiful, spiritual, religious, however you want to call it, items. And yeah, it says to mom with love. Yeah, these are great Mother's Day gifts. So if you're on a budget, definitely come to your local Ross. Oh, look at these. That is a beautiful display of elephants. Beautiful. And let's see, how much is this? $17.99. Oh, I like this one. $9.99. That is not a bad deal. Pretty unique pieces here at Ross. More elephants. This one is $12.99. Beautiful. Love the detailing on it. Ooh, this one. This one's even cooler. This one's got multiple. Ooh, trippy. Let's see. This one is $13.99. And they have a lot of these. Again, lots of beautiful gift ideas for Mother's Day. Oh, look at these. These are little mugs that come in a little tin can. Decorative tin can to top it off. Best mom ever. Simply best grandma. And I'm not sure what this is. Oh, it's a soap. Interesting. And then the little pre-made gift. Home is where your mom is. Oh, that's beautiful. Home, and then the thing it says repeats the same. This is so cute. Let's see. I like these like pre-made gifts, so you don't really have to think much, especially if you're not really sure about gifts. But what mom would not love something like this? These are only $16.99. And of course, gotta have some candles. Holy cow, I've always wanted one of these. These are the decorative ladders. It is $49.99. If your mom is into decorating like this, she would absolutely love this. And I like it that about it is that they both seem to be very unique. So, pretty cool, unique piece here at Ross. Oh, look at these mugs. Little bee collection for $3.99. Bees definitely seem to be a trend this year or this season. So, good item to include in like a Mother's Day gift. And look at these beautiful butterfly cups. These are $5.99 each. A little pricey, but if you are only doing one, I guess that's okay. And let's see. More bees. Oh, and look at these. Gorgeous. Trust in the Lord These are beautiful. Let's see. Oh, you do get different sayings. And let's see. I think these are just plain, but still really nice and decorative. Be joyful always. Worry ends when faith begins. Amen. Oh, these are pretty cool galvanized trays. If your mom is into galvanized or farmhouse, this would be a great item. And let's see, how much are they? They are $12.99, and it does say food safe. Where's my camera not focusing? There we go. Made in India. Pretty cool. Oh, and these remind me of the ones that they had at Target a while ago in the Target spot, dollar spot rather, which I never found. But they have these here. Let's see, these are $16.99. We have this color as well. Let's look over here. Look at this cool lamp. Oh, look at these. That is huge and beautiful at the same time. Let's see. This one is $27.99. And look at this mirror. Holy cow. $39.99. Well, they have some beautiful things. They're just definitely oversized. I am actually really liking that mirror though. Wow, it's so cool. Very unique. And of course, they always have their beautiful paintings. That one kind of reminds me of Lady Gaga. And look at that beautiful elephant. Oh, a little cow. La Dolce Vita, the sweet life. Ooh, very cool. Oh, imagine we were all there right now. Oh yeah, so they have a lot of cute ideas for Mother's Day, so definitely be on the lookout at your local Ross and just to see what kind of things they have. Look at this beautiful elephant. And imagine you give this to your mom. Oh my gosh, she'd like, imagine. Mom would be like, no. But it's still cute though. For $12.99. Oh, too cute. This cutting board is calling my name. I know we're here to look at Mother's Day gift ideas, but hey, it doesn't hurt to look for yourself as well. And let's see, how much is it? It is $7.99. It's really nice. Although I definitely wouldn't want to like use it to actually chop things. Be more for decorative, but I think I have plenty of pineapple things now. I think I'm all pineappled out, but let's continue on, see what else we can find. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Mother's Day gift ideas. So have a great day, have a great evening, and I will see you on the next one.